Open PlayerMaster. Select the devices you have connected from the list in LAN mode. On the program page, click New to create a new program. Edit the name, adjust the width and height as needed, and click OK. Clicking this icon will open a variety of functions for you to choose from. Here we select computer files, upload a few photos, and create a program. Click here to fill the screen with images. Here is our image playback order and slideshow time. You can also set his entrance effect and duration. You can continue to add new programs. Once you've created the desired effect, click the Publish button, and it will appear on your LED screen.